how to add the Chinese, Hebrew, or Hijri alternate calendars on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Apps. In here we go down and then tap on Calendar. Next, tap on Alternate Calendars. And from here you could choose Chinese, Hebrew, or Hijri. So let's say I'm going to select Hebrew, and then I'll swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, I'm going to go to my app library so I can open up the calendar. I'll look for calendar, and here it is, calendar, and then I'll tap on allow. Now I'm going to change my calendar to monthly view. So tap on the back key. Here is the monthly view. You can see that at the bottom of the main date, there is the Hebrew calendar, just sit below that. So here, if I want, I can change it to another calendar. So if I go back into settings, I can set it to Chinese calendar. And here you can see below the main date is the Chinese calendar. So that is how you can add in the alternate calendar. Later on, if you change your mind, you can always set it to off and it will not display the alternate calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.